Why would I move if I don't have to? It's the single most important mantra for lazy people everywhere. And a new study suggests that being lazy can lead to a healthier life, contrary to popular belief. Researchers from St. Bonaventure University in New York found that when it comes to snacking, proximity is more important than taste. What that means is if the healthier food is easier to reach, that's what will be eaten. 56 participants were tested with apple slices and buttery popcorn, which were used to test out the lazy effect. What researchers found was that although most of the participants preferred the unhealthy popcorn, if the apple slices were closer, that's what they would eat. Laziness resulted in the candidates making better health choices. But couch potatoes everywhere, listen up, because being lazy is nothing to gloat about. A report in the medical journal The Lancet claims that inactivity kills about 5 million people a year. It is related to heart disease and diabetes. Humans need exercise and activity to help their bones, muscles, and other functions. So, use laziness to your advantage by keeping healthy foods at your home. And if you do buy sweets, try keeping them out of the reach up on your top shelves. Lastly, don't forget to get your recommended 30 minutes of activity every day.